What if I told you that making $10,000 as a student is easier than you think? Imagine having the freedom to pay off debt, invest in your dreams, or simply enjoy life without financial stress. It's not just about the money, it's about the opportunities that come with it. Ready to learn how to earn $10,000 while balancing classes? Let's dive into the steps that can get you there. How $10,000 can change your life. Think about what an extra $10,000 could do for you right now. That's not just pocket change. It's life-changing money. Whether you want to tackle student loans or save up for something big, like a car or even travel, $10,000 gives you options. First, let's talk about financial freedom. Student debt is a major stressor, but with $10,000, you can wipe out a big chunk of that burden. Imagine graduating with way less debt. That's freedom to start your career without a heavy financial weight holding you back. But it doesn't stop there. That $10,000 could be seed money for your future. Want to start a small business? Invest in a project? The extra cash can open doors you didn't even know existed. You could even use that money to travel and gain experiences that no textbook can teach. Think about the opportunities to explore new cultures or network with people from different parts of the world. In short, earning $10,000 can do more than just fatten your wallet. It can enhance your college experience, relieve financial stress, and set you up for success in ways you never imagined. Step 1. Side hustles. The first step to earning that $10,000? Side hustles. Think of the gig economy as your golden ticket to extra cash. And the best part is that it's super flexible. Let's break down some ideas. Number 1. Tutoring. Are you skilled in math, science, or English? Offer tutoring services to fellow students or even younger kids in your area. Websites like Wisent, Tutor.com, or even your local school boards are great places to kickstart your tutoring journey. You can charge anywhere from $20 to $30 per hour, which adds up quickly if you're consistent. The best part? It's flexible, allowing you to schedule sessions around your classes. Helping others while making money is a win-win. Number 2. Freelancing. If you have a talent for writing, graphic design, or coding, freelancing is an amazing way to make money. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients looking for exactly what you offer. You could even write blog posts, design logos, or build websites, all from the comfort of your dorm. Number 3. Gig jobs. Love animals? Try pet sitting or dog walking through apps like Rover. If driving is more your style, apps like DoorDash or Uber Eats let you earn cash by delivering food in your spare time. Gig jobs offer the ultimate flexibility, letting you work around your school schedule. You can accept jobs when you have free time and decline them when you're busy. Number 4. Selling items. Do you have textbooks, clothes, or electronics you no longer need? Decluttering can turn into cash. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Poshmark make selling your stuff easy. With textbooks alone, you can make hundreds of dollars each semester. It's a great way to get started. These side hustles are not only manageable with a student's schedule, but can also provide a consistent stream of income. Even dedicating just a few hours a week can push you closer to that $10,000 goal. The key is consistency. Work a little every day and watch the money add up. Step 2. Find your high-income skill. Now, let's move to the next level, finding a high-income skill. What's a high-income skill, you ask? It's a skill that's in demand and allows you to charge more money for your time. Here's how to discover and develop yours. Number 1. Identify your strengths. Take a moment to list the things you're good at. Are you great at writing, graphic design, or maybe coding? Everyone has unique talents, and it's about figuring out how to use yours. If you're unsure, ask friends or family for feedback or take a self-assessment test. Number 2. Research what's in demand. Now that you've identified your strengths, it's time to research the market. Use platforms like LinkedIn, Upwork, and Glassdoor to see what skills are hot right now. For example, skills like video editing, digital marketing, or web development are in huge demand. Number 3. Invest in learning. Once you know what skill you want to focus on, invest time in improving it. Online courses from websites like Udemy, Coursera, or even YouTube can teach you the ropes. You don't have to spend a lot, but it's important to keep learning. Certifications can also help boost your credibility and earning potential. Mastering a high-income skill can fast-track your journey to making $10,000. It allows you to charge more for your time and expertise, giving you the ability to work smarter, not harder. Step 3. Increase your prices. Once you've built up your skill set, it's time to make sure you're getting paid what you're worth. Here's how to raise your rates and make more money for the same work. Number 1. Create a portfolio. A portfolio is your best marketing tool. Whether you're a writer, designer, or coder, showcasing your best work helps potential clients see what you're capable of. You can easily set up an online portfolio using platforms like Behance for design or GitHub for coding. This proof of work will help you justify higher rates. Number 2. Start small and scale. At first, you might need to take on lower-paying jobs to gain experience. But as you build up your portfolio and get client testimonials, start raising your rates. Even just a $5 increase can make a huge difference over time. Number 3. Learn to negotiate. Negotiation is key to making sure you're getting what you deserve. When a client offers you a job, don't be afraid to ask for more. It's a skill that will serve you well, and most clients expect a bit of back and forth. Always value your work, and don't settle for less than you're worth. By increasing your prices over time, you can steadily work your way toward that $10,000 goal. The key is to start small, gain experience, and gradually charge more as your skills and reputation grow. Step 4. Build relationships and market yourself. One of the best ways to grow your income is through networking and marketing yourself. This is where the magic happens. Number 1. Network. Start by joining groups related to your field of interest. For example, if you're a writer, join writing groups on LinkedIn or Reddit. Attend virtual events and connect with people who share your passion. Networking can lead to amazing opportunities like job referrals or collaborations that you wouldn't have found on your own. Number 2. Market yourself. Whether you're offering a service or selling products, marketing yourself is essential. Use social media platforms like Instagram, LinkedIn, or even TikTok to showcase what you do. Share tips, behind-the-scenes content, or success stories that highlight your skills and services. This helps people find you and trust your expertise. Number 3. Deliver excellence. Always aim to exceed expectations. If you're writing for a client, deliver ahead of the deadline and add something extra. If you're tutoring, offer helpful resources that go beyond the lesson. When clients are happy, they're more likely to return and recommend you to others. Networking and marketing yourself can open doors to new opportunities and more consistent work. Plus, the more people know about you and your skills, the easier it becomes to charge premium rates. So, there you have it. Earning $10,000 as a student is totally achievable if you're smart with your time and efforts. By combining side hustles, finding your high-income skill, increasing your prices, and building strong relationships, you can hit that $10,000 target sooner than you think. Remember, this isn't just about making money. It's about learning valuable skills, building confidence, and setting yourself up for a bright future. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to level up your student life and finances. See you next time.